Hi, my name is Ryan DeAngelis. I'm here at the Guaranty RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you one of the most popular trailers we sell under 20 feet. The reason it's so popular is one, it's a Jayco, the #1 selling travel trailer in the United States every year since '05. If you're looking at most of the rest of the stuff that's kind of in this size and price range, you're going to not usually find Goodyear tires on them. It's usually going to have a lot more particle board in the construction of this. This has real tongue and groove plywood in the floor and better warranty than pretty much anybody else in this industry. So it's a 19-foot Jayco Jay Flight. This is a 2019 model. It's a 19 RB. You got a nice cutout here for your outside storage. You got an awning on the outside that extends out with a LED light strip in it. Nice tires, made in the US Goodyear tires. If you're looking at some of the stuff out there, you're probably seeing a lot of cheap Chinese tires and stuff like that. This thing weighs under 3,000 pounds. And one of the biggest appeals to it is right when you walk in, you see the walk-around queen bed. That's one of the big things everybody's kind of looking for, but you usually have to go a little bit longer than this to get that. But you got a nice spread here for your kitchen area, seamless countertops this year. Got a fridge, you have a microwave, AC, you have a dinette here that's broken down now to be able to be used as a bed, but you can also use that, it pops up for a dinette. You got a nice bathroom in here too. It's got a separate shower and toilet. Not one to sit on the toilet and shower at the same time deals like a lot of the smaller stuff has. Then you have a nice big closet in the back as well with a ton of storage there. So for something that weighs under 3,000 pounds, it's 19 feet, not counting the hitch and the bumper, you know, and it's under $20,000. I mean, so it's a small payment. This is an extremely popular unit. Like I said, the crown jewel in this one for a lot of people is the walk-around queen bed. Nobody wants to have to crawl over the other person to get to the bathroom in the middle of the night. And if you've been looking at anything under 20 feet, it's pretty rare to even find that. I'll show you a couple things on the outside real quick. All LED lights on the inside of these units on the Jayco Jay Flights, which is pretty standard nowadays, but they also have LED lights on the outside. That's not always the case. You got a full-size made in the US Goodyear tire on the back as well. Jayco Jay Flight has been around for, Jayco is a company for 50 years. The Jay Flight series is the #1 selling travel trailer, like I said, in the United States for 15 years almost. You have all your dump station easy to get to, all your hookups and your power cord, cable, satellite, everything in one spot. You'll notice this unit is kind of short too because the AC is on the side, it's not up top, so that kind of shaves down almost another foot on, that usually sticks out on top. We set you up with batteries, we fill your propane tanks and all the other stuff as well that goes up here. And there's a whole bunch more stuff I'd like to show you on here, so give me a call when you can. My number is 541-525-4001, and I'm Ryan DeAngelis from the Guaranty RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. Talk to you soon, thanks.